Hi, my name is Vanshika and I'm a neuroscience student from India.
I'm Binta and I'm studying biochemistry and molecular biology.
Nicholas, I'm a third-year physiology student here in UCD.
So why I chose UCD is because Dublin is a growing tech hub and UCD is very well situated for graduate opportunities because all of the big tech companies are here.
It's a research-intensive university and I wanted something hands-on to do for my undergraduate.
I chose UCD for chemistry because of the really great undergraduate facilities. The labs are really top tier and they really support our learning.
Mainly because of its campus and it's known for its research in science and how well it does and all of that.
There's a really good balance between theory and practical learning, which is very important to me. And yeah, I love the structure of the course.
Because it had a broad range of science subjects to choose from, and it gave me the flexibility to be able to test all of them out.
I chose UCD primarily because it is the best in Ireland and Ireland is known for its tech industry.
Mainly because of the reputation of its CS program and, let's be honest, because of the campus as well.
The incredible facilities that UCD has here, especially for science and the biology stream that I wanted to get into. The labs are incredible and I'm very happy with my choice.